Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to calculate profit and loss. But first, there's a formula you need to take note of. Profit is equal to the selling price of an item minus the cost price, and loss is equal to the cost price of an item minus the selling price of an item. So what this means is that if the selling price is greater than the cost price, then a profit was made. But if the cost price is greater than the selling price, then the seller made a loss. Now let's use this to solve examples. Tony bought a shoe at the cost of 1,500 naira. If he sold it for 1,750 naira, find the profits made. Now in this particular example, you notice that he sold it for 1,750 and the cost of it was 1,500, meaning in this case the selling price is higher than the cost price. So what this means is that Tony made a profit, and we can calculate that profit by using the formula. Profit is equal to the selling price minus the cost price. The profit is therefore equal to 1,750 subtracted by 1,500, and this is equal to 250 naira. Our profit is therefore 250 naira, and this is our answer. A trader bought 14 microwave ovens at a cost of 5,560 naira each. If each of them is sold for 6,000 naira, find the total profit or loss made. Now the cost price of one microwave is 5,560 because of this statement each, meaning there are 14 microwaves and each of them costs this value, and the selling price is 6,000. Now we're asked to find the total profit or loss made, and notice that the selling price is greater than the cost price, meaning there is a profit made. So the profit is therefore the selling price, which is 6,000, minus the cost price, which is 5,560. And if you subtract this, you are going to get 440 naira. But we are asked to find the total profit made, which means this is the profit that he would make for one chair. So therefore the profits he will make for 14 chairs will be 14 times 440, which is equal to 6,160 naira. So this is the answer. And there is another method of solving this. Now the cost price of one microwave is 5,560 and selling price is 6,000. If we multiply the total number of microwaves by the cost price and selling price and subtract the values, we are going to have the total profit, meaning the total profit is equal to 14 times the selling price, which is 6,000, minus 14 times the cost price, which is 5,560. If you multiply this, you are going to have 84,600 minus, and if you multiply this, you are going to have 77,840. So now if you subtract these values, you are going to have 6,160 naira. So this is your answer. A woman bought 1 crate of egg for 1,800 naira and sold it for 1,400 naira. Calculate her loss or gain. Now, what this question means is that the cost of 1 crate of egg was 1,800 and she sold it for 1,400, meaning the cost price is greater than the selling price, which means the woman made a loss. So the loss is equal to the cost price minus the selling price. This is equal to 1,800 minus 1,400, and this is equal to 400 naira. Find the selling price of a toy bought for 800 naira and sold at a loss of 45 naira. Now in this question there is no selling price. That is what we are asked to look for. But try to pause the video and work on this example. So they said the loss made from the toy was 45 naira. And remember that the loss is equal to the cost price minus the selling price. So the loss of 45 naira is equal to the cost price, which is the price it was bought for. 45 is equal to 800 minus the selling price. So now we can move 45 to this side and move the selling price to the left hand side and 45 to the right hand side, so we can have positive values. So selling price is equal to 800 minus 45, and this is equal to 755 naira. A bag which cost 12,000 naira was sold for 15,000 naira. Calculate the percentage profits. Now in this case they are asking for the percentage profits. But before we can calculate the percentage profit, we first have to calculate the profits. Now the selling price is 15,000 and the cost price is 12,000. So the profits is equal to 15,000 minus 12,000. So therefore the profit is 3,000. Now to calculate the percentage profit, we use this formula. The percentage profit is equal to the profits over the cost price times 100%. So if we substitute this value into the formula, the percentage profit is therefore equal to 3,000, which is the profits, divided by the cost price, which is 12,000, and then multiplied by 100. This 0 can cancel out this 0, this 0 can cancel out this, and you'll be left with 3,000 divided by 120, and this is equal to 25%. This is the answer. Now to calculate percentage loss, for instance, in the case where we are asked to, percentage loss is equal to the loss divided by the cost price times 100%. Now try to solve this example. The price of a watch was reduced from 8,000 to 6,900 naira. To encourage customers to buy it, calculate the percentage loss. Now in this case, the selling price, or rather the price which originally costs 8,000 naira or 80,000 naira was sold for 6,900 naira, meaning the cost price is greater than the selling price, which means there is a loss in this case. The loss is equal to 8,000 naira minus 6,900, and this is equal to 1,100 naira. Now we are asked to calculate the percentage loss. So the percentage loss is equal to, remember the formula, loss divided by cost price times 100%. So therefore the percentage loss is equal to 1,100 divided by the cost price, which is 8,000, times 100%. These two zeros can cancel out these two zeros, so you'll be left with 1,100 divided by 80. This can cancel out this, and 110 divided by 8 will give you 13.75%. And if you approximate this value, you're going to have 13.8%. This is answer. The market price of a set of chairs in an auditorium is 952,000. If the set was sold at a profit of 4%, calculate the price of a single chair if a set contains 100 chairs. Feel free to pause the video and try this example. Now I told the market price of the set of chairs in the auditorium is 952,000. And the market price can also be seen as the cost price, and that same set of chairs contain 100 chairs, meaning that if I were to multiply 100 times the price of a single chair, let's assume that that price of a single chair is C, meaning I would have 952,000. And if I were to find the price of a single chair, I'll divide both sides by 100. So 100C divided by 100 is equal to 952,000 divided by 100. These two zeros will cancel out these two zeros. If 100 cancel 100, C is equal to 9,520 naira. So this is the price of a single chair, and the set was sold at a profit of 4%. Now this 4% is the percentage profits, and if you follow the formula for percentage profits, 4% is equal to the profits divided by the cost price, which is 9,520 times 100. Times P is 100p, so 4% is equal to 100p divided by 9,520. If I cross multiply, 4 will multiply 9,520 to give 28,080, which is equal to 100p. If I divide both sides by 100, this will cancel out this, and P will be equal to 280.8 naira. So this was the profits made from a single chair. Now we are to find the selling price of a single chair. Remember that profits is equal to the selling price of an item minus the cost price. So 280.8 is equal to the selling price, which is unknown, minus the cost price, which is 9,520. If I add 9,520 to both sides, I'll have These two cancel out, and therefore the selling price will be equal to 9,900.8 naira. So this is the selling price of a single chair. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to keep practicing so you'll be good at whatever type of math you're trying to solve. And please share this video to who you think might have problems with this particular topic. Thanks for watching.